Hello everybody and welcome, because today I'm going to be showing you my engine collection, which I have a lot of. First we're going to start off with this one. This one's really old. I still think it's kind of cool. Since it broke right there. This one was my first ever engine. This is my first ever engine. The number is 9790 Burlington Northern. I don't know if it's a Chief or not. I think it might be a Chief, because I'm pretty sure if you know it's a Chief, you could leave it in the comments, because any of them that have two lights and you know if it's a Chief or not, leave it in the comments. So this one might be a Chief because it has two lights. I think it could be. So I think it's kind of cool. It doesn't run very well. It's kind of wacko. And the engines are not in order of when I bought them and everything. They're just in a random order that I decided I'd put them in. And this is 2264 Burlington Northern. The roof is back. The roof is black, and the bars are like hard. The bars are super hard, and I think it's pretty good. The reason I bought it is because it's a low hood. And I thought it was pretty cool. It doesn't have very much bright lights. It runs very well. I think it's kind of cool. Seems to be missing that there. I think it's kind of cool. Next is Union Pacific 1499. This one does not run very well. It used to run like the best one that I had when I got it. But then that engine like broke down or something, and we had to switch engines with another engine. So yeah, this one could also be a Chief. And I think it actually is a Chief because of the green hood, that eagle right there, and the two lights, and the silver top, kind of like that. It could be one. And I think it's kind of cool. I never really use it very much. I think its lights blew out, but it's pretty cool. I think it's really cool. Next up is this one. It's pretty cool. Southern Pacific. Its number is 6326 is its number. Southern Pacific. It does not drive. You can see it does not drive. I know it has a few cords, but it just doesn't drive. I'm thinking about giving it plastic wheels so it could be a dummy. So I think it's kind of cool. It has one headlight. Southern Pacific, and it's all beat up is also another thing that I like it. Is that it's all beat up. So there's that one. Next up is this one, the steamer. Steam engine. These bars really do move and everything. It has awesome detail. It does smoke. We got it from Hobby Lobby on last Christmas. And right here inside, no detailing. On the other side, and it is 6-wheel drive, and it's the 150 steamer. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's actually awesome. That light actually does light up. I don't know what the price is. It is the Dixie Line steamer. The Dixie Line. Hole there. It's all hard. The Dixie Line. The back. Front. Oh wait, this is the back. And this is the front. Bottom, top. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's awesome. And they even have different hooks for some reason. So yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. Yeah, there's the 150 steamer. It's probably in third or second of one of my favorites. Next up is Chessie System. Chessie System, it runs pretty nice, not that much. And I hate the gear ones that are gear-like. So yeah. And it's Chessie System. The number is 4015. 4015 is the number. It's pretty cool. Maybe you can actually see in there. Oh, wait, that. Oh. I think it's pretty cool. I don't like the gear ones. So yeah. Here it is. I think it has kind of nice detail. And, yeah, that's pretty much all I could say about Chessie System. So, yeah. Next up we have Rio Grande. Rio Grande runs pretty nice. $20 for this thing. And I think it's pretty cool. I think it is awesome. I think it's pretty cool because it's orange and black. 3099 is the number, and it's also a low hood. I don't have very many low hoods. I think it's pretty awesome. The bars are like hard, such as that one. This one's really hard, and it is 8-wheel drive. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice. We also have an idea of taping up the windows. I think that turned out really well because it actually does work. So check out Mobile Productions if you want to figure it out. I think it might be on Mobile Productions. I don't know if it's on Mobile Productions or not. The 79 Conrail Shunner. I don't know why it only has 2 numbers. I mean, seriously. Oh, and I don't know if I said this, but the Dixie line is 150. So yeah, this one is 79 Conrail Shunner. It goes very fast, runs very nice. I don't know how much it was. I think it was probably 10 or 5. Probably around 10 because it runs. I think it's very nice. And this is pretty much my first shunner. It's my first shunner. It is. It's only 2-wheel drive. It's a little bit stupid. And they even had to put rubber on the wheels. You can see that rubber. Well, there's rubber on that wheel. I don't know if you can see it. I'm pretty sure you can see it because it's black on the wheel, and everybody else everything else doesn't have black on it, and that's the only one that has black on it. So I think it's pretty cool. Next we have Missouri Pacific Lines. It's really cool. I think it is like the best one I have. It's just like awesome. I forgot how much it was. I think it's probably 20. I don't like it because it has the bars on the side, but it does have real people in there. Real windshield wipers, a horn, and when you go backwards, that light turns on, that light doesn't. When you go forwards, that light turns on, that light doesn't. So it's pretty cool. The reason I'm not that excited about it is because I think it's DCC, and we have an 18 curve. This one doesn't turn on 18. So yeah, there's that one. I think we have 18 curve. I'm very sure of we have an 18 curve. If I'm wrong, it should be down there somewhere. Well, it should be down there in the bottom of the screen. So yeah, 2081 Burlington Northern. Very weak bars. They're plastic green. High hood. I don't really like high hoods that much. I think it's pretty cool. It's made by Lifelike. It's my favorite company. And you can hear that. That's how it drives. Just like that. Ooh, now there's marks on my thumb. And it's just 4-wheel drive. It kind of broke down a little bit. It's still running though. It turns very sharp. So it's 2081 Burlington Northern, fully green. I think it's very, very awesome. I think it's probably my 3rd or 2nd engine out of all of them. And last but not least, New Haven. New Haven is pretty awesome. And the number is 6603. And it's 8-wheel drive. It doesn't run that nice. It runs nice if you get it wore out. Take the windshields, and I think it's pretty awesome. It's New Haven. I like their logo. And the reason I bought it is because I have a New Haven coach, and I think about making a New Haven coach load for this engine. So yeah, New Haven, and I like their colors. And there's all my engines. So so see ya.